Okay, welcome to this episode. So, what we are doing in this question is we are doing a question on electricity. Electricity. So, what's the question? An electric bulb is labeled 260 volts and what 80 watts. That 80 watts represents power. That 260 volts represents voltage or potential difference. How much current is taken by the bulb? So, that's a very simple question. So let us write out our parameters. So we have our potential difference should be what? V is equals to 260 volts. Then we also have power to be what? 80 volts, 80 watts. So now let us write out three formulas of power. So we have about three formulas for power, even more than that. So power is equals to IV. Power is equals to I square R. Power is equals to this same power V square over R. Power is equals to work done over time. These are all for power in formula for power. Even they are more than that. Power is equals to force times velocity. Please take note of this. Power is equals to mgh over t. That's not all. We still have power should be force times what? Distance over time. I hope you understand. So there's a question that they will ask you to find power, and they will give you mass, they will give you height, they will give you time, they will now give you g as your constant. Please take note of all these things. Take notes. Now let's do the question. If you look at all this formula, which one do you think is suitable? We have power already, we have voltage. So merely looking at it, you will see that it is this first equation that is what? That is eligible. So let's do it using that first equation. So let's rub all this. So now let's do it. So we now have our P. Now should be what? IV. What's our V? What are we looking for? We are looking for current. So let's make current the subject of formula. So it will now be what? P over V. That is, we divide both sides by voltage. What is our power like that? So our power is 80. What is our voltage? That is what? 260. Then you use your calculator. 0 cancels 0. Then how many 2 will you have here? We have 4. How many 2 will you have here? We have 13. So you use your calculator to do that. So alright, using our calculator we get 4 over 13. So we have 0.307. So that's our answer. So we now have what? 0.307 in what? What is the unit of current? That is ampere. So we can now approximate it to what? To be what? 0.31 ampere. So that's that for this episode.